Sabi ni Chinchilyon. Chinchilyon, bakit kami? Dala mo kamera mo ng... Kita lang mapoto ko na.
Bongga.
Lumpat.
2, 3, go!
Okay. Maano sa danay, ma-establishing sa danay mo na.
Bukas ang gate, no? Bukas ang gate. Buka.
Morning. Sa aton bukas, ilay buka na. Bukas. Buka ang gate. Tingin chat mo na lang sa buka ang gate. Anong sarado ganito? There's minute top. Ano to? Minute top. Morning.
On our way to north.
Ambal ya.
Anyway. Hindi siya pagpantay.
Okay.
Hindi siya pagpantay.
Ngaw.
Ang nakabalot yung daan ng isa. Parang aircon na bumili.
Awa.
Ang ginambal niya, the aircon is not yet an and we'll tell our boss tomorrow to have it.
Masaka na lang sa gide. Bala lang sa bantay na lang to, manaog na lang to. We'll go down. We have no we have no bugs. We travel light.
Jeff! Jeff! Ang game mo daw.
Tabi.
So yeah. Don't go up and go down. Yeah, just go down. At the road.
Ta, naog na lang ta. This is our hotel.
Abangan.
And this is our scooter. And this is our road going down. Kaya mo na Diyos, oh. Morning, Surya. Morning.
Hi, morning. How are you?
All good.
Jason, how are you?
Good,
You
good.
find me in Facebook, yeah?
Yes. It looks like local now.
Local, no? Balinese local. One more.
Kaya mo na magsaka na. Kited.
Yeah.
Breakfast show.
Bakla niya ta.
Hindi mo.
Alam mo lang yung bakal ko, di ba?
ang
Gapon.
Yesterday I saw here 2 car parking here. That mean why I just waiting for you then. You satay
Wow.
Wow,
Thank you.
good morning. Okay.
with the rice.
Already?
Satay rice as well.
Oh, wow.
But pork satay.
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 Sahay. Satay.
Rice mix,
Satay.
rice cover by the coconut leaf.
Satay.
Mm.
Yeah, we call tipat.
Tipat.
Tipat, yeah.
We
In
call that in
Puso.
Philippines. Puso.
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 Yeah, we call tipat. Good morning, everybody. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
Did you have breakfast or not?
Not
yet.
No.
Not yet.
In our dreams.
In your dream. Okay.
Yeah.
We can stop somewhere. Yeah, if you need breakfast. But I will take you to the Handara gate first because I don't want you get long line later. Yeah.
Okay.
And then
Nice.
after that we go back again to the temple and then Wild Monkey at Wanagiri Hill. Yeah. And then if you want go to the Wanagiri Hidden Hill, then good. You can see the Twin Lake view.
Twin Lake.
Twin Lake view. Yeah. But
I
you,
think we will not go anymore to the Wild Monkey. Just so Wanagiri. Hidden hill.
Wanagiri Hidden Hill.
Yeah.
Okay. But monkey, we just stop for few minutes. Only. Just feeding monkey.
Hidden monkey.
that's man.
Friendly monkey.
Puka ko siya alas 6. After ko paniko.
Normally I
Five.
time stop there for
Ano size? Banda yung nasulungan sa mukha ko, hindi malagaw. Yung na
Ngayon lagaw ko.
Nakatawa kita yung bangon nila. Hindi ko sa'yo. Nakatawa ka sa'yo yung size ng live.
Oo. Ay, hindi. Lapa man. Different na. Different destination.
pay ticket first.
Yeah.
Make sure you got good number.
Sukat ka rin na? Seven. 50,000 each.
50,000 each.
Draw?
No. No drone. That one.
Helicopter only.
Helicopter. Drone. We pay for that.
50,000 each.
Also, if we take photo group.
Later I have you.
Okay.
Puro lang.
Okay, one by one. And then group. Okay. 50?
So, ganito yung mga
on
loob.
you is
Kaya
two
tanda.
person over there, yeah? He fly the drone, maybe
Yes.
10-15 minutes, and then you turn, yeah?
Okay.
Pakaksan ko lang yung tatlo at
Three of.
Do you have 50?
Three. I don't know. May 50 ka.
Olo.
May 50 ka na, Jers?
2. For 2. For 3. May 50 ko di. Sino gusto mo?
Ayun na lang. Sige. Wala na na. Wait, this one. Okay.
Tomorrow.
Imo, Jers?
Ano, Jara na?
Inyo na lang nang.
Sino may 50?
ay,
Okay.
sino naglabot kasi? Ikaw. Ano yung
Sabi ni Cecilyon. Cecilyon, bakit kimere? Oh, drone.
John. May pagkijagil mo ng danchan.
Gutom ka, Mar.
Hindi ko lagi naikot. Nag-inom mo ta.
Na, may ga post ka. May malabay din.
Oh, bunsan ni ka. Yeah, in front you, 2% the people fight down, yeah?
Okay.
I think around 10-15 minutes.
How much? Drone?
10 minutes.
I mean pay, how much pay drone?
For the photograph,
Drone?
200. No, the bring by yourself for the book.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take good pictures like this.
Yes.
Little bit away.
Okay.
And then the other one is like
So, like we take
like
photo,
This. The other one like this.
like we take photo by ourselves, no photographer here.
The photograph they have, but you have to pay extra.
Okay.
But my better you can
Just,
empty na.
yeah. Be? Dala mo camera mo ng kita lang mapoto ko na. Or
Okay, you
kung
can do one by one now.
oo.
Which photographer? Everyone photographer.
Wala photographer. Kung may photographer, bayad ka. Pero pwede nga kita lang ma-picture.
Common engage.
Oo.
I wait my husband.
Okay.
Yeah,
No
yeah.
problem.
We stay in line.
Stay in line.
Line na lang, diba?
Now they finished. They finished now. And now it's me.
Okay, no problem.
I think give them first. He just take a picture.
Only picture.
Yeah.
Okay.
No drawing.
Because they finished now. I
Yeah,
wait.
no problem. I take your time later. Yeah. Okay, you can go take a picture
Okay.
and you wait. No problem.
Because you have not long time to
Very
take a picture.
Okay.
You must be quick.
Hello guys, we are now here at Handara Gate, Bali, Indonesia. Bongga.
Sige, sige. Okay mo na lang ang isang cellphone. Saka skills lang. Gamay pag-ara. Yan.
Sige na. Sa imo na lang go cellphone, be. Be, layo lang, be. Or be, is angle, be. Go, Mar. The you stand. Where better, ano? Over there or here?
Go sir, over there.
You can stand over there. Dito, Mar.
Pwede muna. Iba na.
Ito, hindi mo gusto. Dasigan na. Sus. Jerson na lang eh.
Okay, you can go take a picture, yeah? I think you can do group picture first. I clicking for you.
Okay.
Okay,
Group
come here,
picture.
Kuya, group picture.
Group picture. Sorya, join us.
Batuang.
May chipmunks naman to. Chipmunks. Group picture danay ko na Jers. Group picture first. Mar, group picture danay, Mar.
Come closer, Kuya.
Na, close. sorry. First time.
Stop there. Can you take your water?
Okay, things. Clear your things.
Dala mo ng 55. Dala mo. 50. Samsung sa 50 ko dito ko layo.
I come for one picture only. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, ready, please.
Line up.
1, 2. Next pose. Yes. Pose. 1, 2. Okay. Talon daw. Talon, lumpat. 1, 2, 3. Go! Isa pa. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, yes, solo. Yes. Thank you, kuya.
Thank you.
Ako na lang makuha ng pet Ay, kamat ko. Guba ni preview.
Okay, ikaw na, Jers.
Mugod ka lang.
No? Jerson, be? Wala na, Jerson.
It's so far, kuya. Come close.
Dito lang sa gintindo, ganito, Jers. Na.
Terega mo.
And maybe you can take photo a little bit away.
Yeah.
It will be better.
Naka, ano ka, be?
Okay, one,
Okay.
two.
I think like this is better.
Wow.
Bebe.
Okay.
Yeah, wide. Gusto
You can
niya
stand
ano,
here like that.
landscape.
Why?
Landscape. Na. Okay. One picture patindog kag one picture. Hindi, wide lang. Na.
Okay, one, two.
Patindog na.
Ayun na.
Oo.
One, two.
Oo, wala naman nagamatter ang itsura. Oh, next. Next. Hindi ka? Ikaw, Jeff? Ikaw nung?
Good job. Picture.
Awat na lang kay Jess, oh.
Ah, dili na sige.
Oo, para dasig.
Dog pa nang. Dog pa. Dog. Backward. Okay. One, two. Okay, one, two.
Next pose.
Yan lang.
Pindot lang, pindot, ah.
Eh, tunga, bigamay nung kiwi gali. Sorry. Photographer. Kaya ba na?
Ikaw, Grobe. Ikaw man mismo. Wala ka sentro ka.
What? Ano ding rogo? Ano na diyo?
Abi pa ho. Ano?
Okay, one, two. One, two.
Who is couple?
Yeah. We are kind family also.
Family.
Our kid.
Workmates.
Okay, next. Jeff, sino? Last kay MR. Hindi si Mer.
Dito pa na sa punta. Kaming early morning, no bad.
Yeah.
One, two.
Who the people get come here? The people job.
What?
Driver.
Circle.
What?
2 years before, they get come here. See?
We
You?
second time already.
What time?
Twice. I mean two times already.
You remember the photographer here?
No.
No?
No.
Ay, feeling ko.
The photographer is when we came here, the photographer is the security guard. This time no security guard here.
What time you come here? Afternoon?
Afternoon I think, but it's raining, so we have not good
Was rain,
picture.
Was rain on that time.
Yeah, when we came here, raining. Lapada gid nung?
Nan,
Lapada nung?
white.
No na. Mas ma-appreciate mo siya nga ano.
Wala ko lang. Kumain tayo ng galing layo-layo dapat. Sa ano?
Why?
Next.
Why piles?
Layo.
Oh, why makasawa
Ito
na
kita pa to. Sa punta.
Amo man na gyapon effect yo.
Go. Next.
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 Sino pa? Imo Jeff?
Tapos.
Tapos ka na? Oo. Yung pictures.
Kumain tayo ng galing layo-layo. Wala na din.
What happened to your kit lens?
Everything dala ko. Pero wala, hindi kong prime dito na. Amo ni taptan yung galing layo-layo di dapat.
Layo. Ay.
Togi dapat to. Ano ko si study. Erwan. Saka
Wait lang.
okay. May kagyo na. Nagdalay na siya?
Golf course.
Golf course.
Golf course and resort.
Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Straightening my hair.
Next pose.
Wait. One. Wait lang sinang sa pa. One. One. Photo. Okay.
Okay, now you can take
Yes.
more photo from out here, yeah.
Okay.
From
Okay,
behind, it's okay.
thank
You
you.
can 1 hour.
Thank you.
1 hour, 2 hours.
Da sa kilid, baby.
1, 2, 3. Sapa. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you. Selfie, tabi, selfie. Ano to?
Make sure you got good picture, yeah.
Selfie!
Sure you
Okay.
Okay. Okay kayo.
Para na siguro sa real nila.
Sa.
I don't know.
Namin, gima ng drone, bigyan mo yung pamupag, no? I-drone mo na yung mobile, si Mary, i-drone
Oh,
no?
pwede na madrone.
Mukha mo ka na, oh.
Single.
Labagid.
360 lang.
Hindi, 360 lang.
360.
Ama, 360 to, di blow. Sige, ma-picture to di sa 360. Gather ka mo dito na. Okay, i-edit to din. Ano gana?
Ano basta?
Nga, pag-ikututan eh.
Ga-record na na eh.
Bye-bye pa.
Photo na na, babe. Ano gana? I-set bimar.
Ala.
I-timer na yan.
Ano na ganing effect nga to mo na? Banat lang yan.
10 seconds.
Ang lipat ko sing tawag. Oo.
Ano na tsura yung ganun?
72 MP. Yep. That's the one.
Okay, hindi na yung pagpindota. Okay, gather ka mo there. Circle, there, circle. Join, sir, yeah?
Where?
There. Circle, circle.
Yeah.
Here, okay. No, closer, closer. Tawag lang din sa camera. Na.
Everybody just look at the camera and that's 10 seconds.
8,
7, 6.
5, 4, 3,
Oh,
2, silaw. Silaw also. You call that silaw?
Silao.
Yes.
The same.
Silao, yeah.
Same?
From the
So,
sun.
ma-video ta.
Video ta.
Ma...
Let's take a 360 video.
Is butanggid siguro sa camera tapos patindog ko.
Sure, sure.
Hindi, i-check na lang dana yun.
60 FPS ko pala.
I-check na na yung photo. Captain Ivan. I-check na yung photo.
But
Access
we are
mo
close.
lang.
Philippine very close to it.
Ayaw mo na ni pinakataas eh.
Yes.
Pwede rin.
On. Ga may magiga.
Paano mo na makita ang preview niya sa cellphone dito? Ay, wala din po. Tabagal lang.
Nami, white tao. Nami, white tao. 360, tapos naka 100 frames niya. Ladies and gentlemen, we are running in 3,
Dasig ah.
Yeah.
1, 2,
Tulok sa camera.
Tulok sa camera. 3, 2, 1, go! Brisk walking lang candidates.
Ang wala na pinakataas.
Say hi!
Ano ba gito?
Sa ano na.
Iya kamera po dito. X1 na.
Thank you.
Enough time here?
Yeah. Thank you.
Enough time here, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, now we're going to temple. Good, this
Olondano.
time they're still quiet. Yeah.
Okay.
Later
When
we'll be
when we go here in Olondano, cause it's raining, the lake or the no, it's the foggy.
foggy, cloudy.
Yes, cloudy. You can see the whole lake.
Yeah.
This time, nice weather. So
I'm
I
sure
think
you have good picture.
yes, I think nice view.
You keep the ticket for
Yeah.
that you won't bet again here.
Can you still ticket?
No, just
Okay. We can breakfast inside Olondano, right?
Yeah, you can.
They have food inside. Then saan agad to? Siya, toilet.
You can take picture, but before busy. Yeah.
Okay.